Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Baking is fun! Now, when we make a cake or even cupcakes, they need a great frosting. Depending on the flavor of the cake, you might opt for chocolate, lemon, strawberry, caramel, or others. Here's one that is perfect for any cake or cupcake flavor. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Vanilla Buttercream Frosting. This is my go-to recipe. It's so fluffy and creamy, plus very easy to make. It doesn't matter what flavor of cake I bake, this one goes with all of them. If I want, I can play with it by adding some natural food coloring or decorating it with sanding sugar. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add our room temperature unsalted butter and a very small pinch of fleur de sel. For those of you who are not familiar with it, this is the brand I like. It's very fine and used as a finishing salt or as a garnish. Now, using the paddle attachment, we'll whip the butter on high speed for about 4 minutes. Next, we'll add no more than half a cup of confectioner's sugar at a time and process on medium-low speed until completely blended before adding some more. If the sugar is added all at once, it will clump up, making your frosting heavy and also grainy in texture. We don't want that. When the sugar is all incorporated, to help thin out the consistency, we'll add heavy cream, starting with a couple tablespoons and adding more if needed. By the way, milk and half can be substituted. Then we'll add pure vanilla extract, but depending on your recipe, you might opt for different extracts, such as lemon, maple, orange, or others. And we'll process on medium-high speed until nicely blended. And my friends, this is our Vanilla Buttercream Frosting. Quick and easy to make, this is the best foolproof frosting for your baking. It's a great base recipe, and from here, you can change the flavor, add some food coloring, and so on. With Thanksgiving and the holidays coming up, this should definitely be added to your folder. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!